You finally launched your website. You picked a beautiful template, swapped in your favorite colors, fonts, and photos, and shared it proudly. You even sent the link to your mom. But crickets. No new leads, no bookings, no dream clients sliding into your inbox. I've worked with so many small business owners who felt exactly the same way, and today I'm breaking down the real reason your DIY site isn't working and what to do instead. Here's what no one tells you when you start building your site. Design doesn't sell, strategy does. Most DIY websites fail because they focus on the outside, the fonts, the colors, the fun animations, but totally skip the inside, the messaging, the flow, positioning, and structure. Like my client Nikki told me, my site looked good, but it didn't feel like me and it definitely wasn't converting. That's the gap we're going to fix today. Here are the 3 biggest reasons why most DIY websites don't actually work, and I want you to listen for yourself in these because I bet at least one will sound familiar. Problem number 1 is confusing messaging. Your site might look polished, but if someone lands there and can't instantly understand what you do, who you serve, and why you're different, they're gone. One of my photographer clients told me people are finding me, but they're asking for graduation photos, not the body sessions I actually want to book. That's the power of messaging. Done right, it attracts the right people and repels the wrong ones, saving you from wasting time on leads who were never a fit. But here's the trap. Most DIYers copy what they've seen on competitor sites, or they just tweak placeholder text from their template. That results in everyone sounding the same. And when everyone sounds the same, the only thing left for a client to compare is price. That's when you end up in a race to the bottom. Problem number 2 is broken flow. Even if your words are solid, your site can still fail if the flow is broken. Templates are designed to look good, not to guide your client journey. When your site visitors have to click 3 or 4 times to find what they need, you're not guiding them to help make a decision. Best case, they email you with questions you thought you had already answered on your site. And worst case, they just click away and hire someone else who made it easier. Your site should feel like a guided trail with clear signs at every turn, not a maze they're trying to escape. Problem number 3 is that you're invisible online. One of my clients said, I don't want to be constantly doing the Instagram and all of that. And honestly, I feel the same way. I'd much rather spend that time serving my clients. The truth is, if your only traffic source is social media, you're building your business on rented land. The algorithm changes, you get busy, you skip posting, and suddenly the leads stop. Here's what most DIYers don't realize. Website traffic is different from social traffic. These aren't just random scrollers, they're warm leads, people who are actively searching for what you do, ready to book, and just trying to find the right fit. But if your website isn't set up strategically, Google won't show it. And often, it's not because your work isn't good. It's because you're using the wrong keywords or missing the little signals that tell Google and AI search tools that your website is the answer to the question your dream clients are asking. Your website is the answer to the question your dream clients are asking. When those little signals are missing, the clients who are ready to book today end up finding your competitor instead. If any of this has hit a nerve, hear me on this. You are not broken. Your website just needs a new strategy. After figuring this out for myself and then walking through it with other women at the same stage, I've seen this shift happen again and again. The moment they get clarity, the clients come. Out of that experience, I built a simple system I use in my business and with my students, the 3S framework: strategy, site design, and showing up. These 3 steps are what bring clarity to your message, guide visitors to take action, and get you showing up where dream clients are already searching. And the best part is you don't need to be a designer, a coder, or a marketing genius to make it work. I go deep into each of these pieces in my free class, but here's what I want you to know now. If you're missing even one of these, your site is going to struggle to convert. But when they all lock into place, that's when clients start reaching out excited to work with you. If your site looks fine, but it's not bringing in dream clients, you need to watch this free training. It's called From Overlooked to Fully Booked, and it walks you through the exact roadmap I just touched on, step by step. You'll learn how to write copy that clicks, structure your pages like a pro, and set your site up to be found, even if you're not techie and even if you've already tried and felt stuck. Click the link in the description to grab your spot. It's free and it'll save you months of second guessing.